Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So a lot of people told me to walk through this subclass 100 partner migrant visa for Australia. So I'm doing that in this video. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, some of you might be familiar with spouse sponsorship for Canada. So even in Canada, spouse sponsorship applications get finalized in two stages. First is like sponsor eligibility, and then the sponsored person's application. So in Australia, although it's in two stages, but there are two different visa stages. First is subclass 309, where your partner gets temporary grant to come and stay in Australia, build the life, and then after, I don't remember the exact number of years, maybe 2 years or 2 years around, you got to file this visa, and then I'm not sure about the number. Then they check that if things are fine and your relationship is going for a long term, and then they grant the permanent access. So this is what we are gonna go through in this visa. So first of all, like when you apply for 309, that time itself you pay the whole visa fee. So that is why you see the cost here is zero. I mean, it's not applied because you have already paid for it. As this is a permanent visa, you can live, work, and study in Australia indefinitely. Sponsor eligible family members apply for Australian citizenship if you are found eligible, and you must hold temporary subclass 309. In most cases, continue to be genuine and ongoing relationship with your partner. Okay, so this was the first thing. Next is about this visa. So most of the things we already know, that you can stay indefinitely, work, study, enroll in public health care, sponsor your eligible relatives to come to Australia, travel to and from Australia for 5 years, if eligible, attend free English classes, and you can even apply for citizenship. Okay, and in Australia visa, the visa label free, so that is eligibility. Have this visa, so 309, or dependent child if applicable 445. Usually 2 years must have passed. Yeah, this is the number I was talking about initially. Usually 2 years must have passed since you applied for the combined 309 and 100 visa for you to be assessed for the permanent visa. Okay. If you were in a long-term relationship or your sponsor held a specific visa before you applied, you might be granted the permanent visa within less than 2 years. Okay. Continue to meet the relationship. So you got to be in spouse or de facto partner for the same person who sponsored you, and they must have approved the sponsorship. You might still be eligible for the permanent visa if your relationship breakdowns or your partner dies before we grant the permanent visa, but those are not common cases, so I'll not go into that. Pay your debt to Australian government. We might not grant this visa if it is not in the best interest of an applicant under 18. Okay, so these are the eligibility criteria. Now step by step. So 309, that is first thing, gather your documents. Relationship with your partner, you have to prove it. And the statutory declaration form 35 for this I have already uploaded a different video so that you can check. And this I will for one, this form 888, this I will definitely publish in future, and I'll include a link if I can do right now after this video. Changes to your information, you need to provide passport, character documents, dependents. Statutory declaration, partner visa sponsor. For this I have already uploaded a video. The link is gonna come in the description. Prepare your documents, apply for the visa. Now when it comes to apply for the visa, let's see how you can really apply. You gotta apply online. This is really much better. After you apply, visa outcome. So the process is like standard process that happens, and you gotta apply online, and things are gonna be picked up from there, and once it is granted, you can continue. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.